Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keyboard. It can be Note, New Note, Google, Chrome or whatever. Just the place where you've got access to your keyboard. Then tap on settings icon, select languages, tap on add keyboard and then select the language that you want to use. You can either slide down till you find the language or you can click on search icon and enter the language that you want to apply. Click on done and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit and marking it, then tap on pin icon. But I will stay with both so you can see how to switch languages while typing. So here we've got English. To change it, just click on word icon and now you've got Arabic and you can smoothly use it. Then obviously the same way you can switch to English. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.